In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear DNS cache on Windows 11. If a website isn't loading correctly, you're seeing outdated content, or things just feel a bit off with your internet connection. Clearing your DNS cache is a quick and safe fix you can do in under a minute. DNS is like your computer's address book for the internet. Over time, those saved lookups can become stale or corrupted, and flushing the cache forces Windows to fetch fresh information the next time you visit a site. Start by opening the Windows search. Press the Windows key together with the S key to bring up the search bar, then type Command Prompt. You'll see Command Prompt appear in the results. Instead of opening it normally, you want to run it with elevated permissions. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Running as an administrator ensures the command has the necessary permission to clear the system-level DNS cache. You may notice the Command Prompt window title indicating it's running with elevated rights. That's exactly what you want for this task. With the Command Prompt open, click into the window so it's active, and type the following command exactly as you hear it. ipconfig, followed by a space, then a /, and the word flushdens. So the full command is ipconfig flushdens. Be sure to include the space after ipconfig, or the command won't work correctly. When you're confident it's typed accurately, press Enter on your keyboard. Now, wait for Windows to respond. You should see a message letting you know the DNS cache was successfully flushed. That confirmation means your computer has cleared the stored DNS entries and will retrieve fresh records the next time you connect to websites. This doesn't affect your saved passwords, browser history, or bookmarks. It only resets the cached DNS lookups used by the system. After this, your first visit to some sites might take a moment longer than usual as Windows rebuilds the cache, which is completely normal. Once you see the success message, you're done with the command line. Go ahead and close the Command Prompt window. At this point, try revisiting the site or service that was giving you trouble. Because your DNS cache is now clean, Windows will query the latest information, which often resolves issues with websites not loading, redirecting incorrectly, or pointing to old servers. That's all there is to it. You've just cleared the DNS cache on Windows 11 using the quickest and most reliable method. If this helped, consider making this a go-to step whenever you suspect DNS-related hiccups.